Hey guys, this is Mixed VG Search finalist Andrew, and I'm doing another video vlog for my fifth task, which is to tell you guys who my secret, well, hindi my secret, pero my celebrity crush. I thought about this and napili ko siya kasi crush ko na siya talaga nung high school pa ako. My celebrity crush is Alodia Goshing Tiao. If you don't know her guys, she's a cosplayer and nagkaroon na rin siya ng TV shows. So here's a short video of Alodia. Check this out.
Hi everyone, this is Alodia Goshingpya, artist, a cosplayer, gamer.
Ayun, at first, akala ko pangarap lang na makikita ko siya in person. Pero it was last year, nung unang-una ba siya nakita and nakilala in person. Last year, it was her birthday bash sa Mega Mall and she invited us to perform there. May boy band. So, nung nalaman ko yung news, I'm like, oh my God talaga, parang ano na yun, and akala ko talaga hindi ko siya may meet in person, pero ayun, so when that day came, nag-perform muna kami, pero bago kami nag-perform, ayun, we had the chance to talk to her backstage, and at first I was really shy, talagang nahihiya ako, yung iba kong mga ka-bandmates na ako, kasi akong like, I'm so mesmerized, parang nakatulalanan talaga ako, honestly. Pero, ayun, nagtagal, I eventually talked to her. I asked her about, you know, how much she likes anime and kung ano yung plans pa niya in the future. So, ayun, and that was like, that moment was like, grabe talaga. Grabe talaga experience na yun. So, since then, after that event actually, a few months later, nagkita kami ulit in a cosplay event. It's actually a K-pop cosplay event. And they were invited, sila ni Ashley, yung sister niya, sa cosplay event. And kami naman, we were invited, ng boy band, we were invited sa isang K-pop event. So, ayun, nagkita rin kami doon. Although hindi kami siya nakapag-usap kasi pauwi rin sila. Pero, ayun, kahit second time ko siya nakita, grabe talaga, like, ano, so, ayun, I'm actually happy kasi I know a lot of guys out there would really want to talk to her or see her in person. Pero I guess I'm lucky na nakita ko siya and nakausap ko rin siya. So, that's my story of Alodia. And kung makausap ko siya nga ngayon, I'm like, oh no, hindi ko talaga alam sabihin ko. So, ayun.
Anjo, anong song mo for Alodia?
Song for Alodia. Siguro perfect na dito yung latest single namin. It's titled Sa Isang Sulyap Mo. Kasi para sa akin, Alodia, sa isang sulyap mo lang, ayos na ako. So super nakaka-relate ako sa song na yun when it comes to Alodia.
Anjo, kung walang boyfriend si Alodia, liligawan mo
Kung walang boyfriend! Well, just to, you know, tell you guys, I think she's taken right now. May boyfriend na siya. Pero kung wala siyang boyfriend ngayon, grabe talaga. I'll definitely make a move. Talagang liligaw ako sa Alodia.
So, Anjo, mahal mo si Alodia?
Mahal ko lang si Alodia. As a fanboy, mahal ko naman. Yes, mahal ko siya.
So, eto, ano yung message mo for Alodia?
May message for Alodia, sana makita niyo to. Hindi naman, dati dito. Pero Alodia, we have a crush on you, so call me maybe.
Okay, thank you!
Siguro.